what did you fail your test for?
So it was going straight on a left only turn, missing the studs, and it was apparently, it was when I was pulling up.
Yeah, but the main one was trying to go straight on
a left only turn, yeah.
Go left at the end of the road. Where are we?
This is it. This is it. Yeah, I remember. I thought she was saying go that way, so I was like, ah.
So now can you recognise?
I can recognise, yeah, why it's left only.
And look at the curbs.
It's because that's just blocking you enough to make you think you can't go straight.
Yeah. Ooh, little roll back. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Excellent. Good. Yeah, a little roll back then.
Little roll back, but I'd take that at the minute. Just
okay, good.
Get the practice in.
So you happy with that now?
Yeah, that one was just, I was not paying attention, didn't see it. That was a stupid error, but
to be fair, the lines are faint. You can see it, but they are faint. They need repainting. And the first sign is quite far down the road.
Yeah.
So you really got to have that vision and see the signs and recognise it, and then know you definitely got to turn left. Yeah. Let's go left at these lights. The other side is a bit better.
Yeah, because I remember we've come down that way before. Because I remember when I got out that turn, I went, oh, I've been here.
Yeah.
I just didn't remember that route. So, but
yeah.
Oh well. It's just a silly mistake, but it is what it is.
What's that with these girls going to cross?
We're not at the point when it stops, so.
You going left again, are you?
Yeah, we're going to try again.
Alright, good.
I want to do it perfectly.
Go on, then. I like it, good. In control. Did you know when you were coming out here that was going to be coming up?
I had a feeling you're going to take me there, but I was like, I've been here before, where is it?
Yeah.
And then as soon as we got to that point, I was like, this is it, isn't it? I swear this is where I fumbled on my test. So that was, looking back on it, like I laugh about it now, but that was an open sitter. That was.
So this junction before, you could have pointed left a little bit better than you did.
Like this?
Yeah. So a little look at that curb.
Like
Get that. Point a bit more, That's it, good. So you'll find then that a bit easier pulling out.
Yeah, much easier.
Obvious to other people where you're going as well. Look, there's your first sign, right? So if you come out that left turn, you can't see that.
Until you're at the point where you're like, shit.
So it is a bit of a sneaky one for tests, right? And then you come to here. Are those markings painted correctly?
I can see
Come on. Like, it's hardly...
I can see something, but...
Yeah.
I first guess I would not...
So then you're relying on that. I think it's a bit unfair for tests that it needs repainting and it needs the signs being...
I can fit through that?
Do you reckon?
Yeah. Especially with him going there, give me a minute.
But on test, you had two situations, and you had that and she said you clipped a bin.
Yeah, pull up on the left.
We'll go straight on this time. Yeah, so you can't argue then because you've had two situations.
Yeah, no. Yeah. I think that one started off, my head went.
Yes.
I'll openly admit that was stupid, but
yeah,
still make the same mistake again.
Yeah. But yeah, she did sound. It sounded like, didn't it, that you smacked bins?
Oh no, it was. I was slowing down already. At worst, it was like 2 miles an hour.
Yeah.
I clipped it. At worst, I'm talking like an unbelievable amount.
Where are you gonna wait here?
Probably just behind that van.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to block the side of the road.
Good. Excellent. Yeah, there's me looking down the side of my car thinking you've scratched the alloys, you've scratched the front of the car. No, you just clipped the wing mirror.
Yeah, clipped the wing mirror at 2 miles an hour, and that thing didn't even have a dent in it, but it just sounded worse than it was.
Yeah.
No, for instance, I was half tempted to jump in and go, hold on.
Yeah. reckon Josh is a good driver. I'd go with that. Yeah, good. You can fit, can't you?
Yeah.
See the cars move in a little bit for you?
Yeah.
Lovely.
Appreciate that, guys.
Good. How's your left-hand side?
Yep, we're all clear.
Good. Bit of N mode today.